Welcome to Natural Lifestyle Remedies, your go-to guide for all things related to healthy and natural lifestyle choices. Here, we delve into the world of natural remedies and lifestyle choices that promote health and wellness. Today, we're turning our attention to a topic that has sparked much debate and curiosity among health enthusiasts. Is olive oil making you fat? An intriguing question, isn't it? Well, we're about to take a deep dive into the truth behind olive oil. Stay tuned to unravel the truth about olive oil. Olive oil, a staple in Mediterranean cuisine, is praised for its numerous health benefits. It's a flavorful symphony of nutrition, packed with a heavy dose of monounsaturated fats, which are known for their heart-healthy properties. These fats are beneficial for reducing bad cholesterol levels and increasing the good ones, effectively helping to safeguard your heart. Additionally, olive oil is a powerful antioxidant haven. It houses substances like vitamin E and polyphenols, which combat harmful free radicals in the body and reduce oxidative stress. This not only contributes to better overall health, but also offers a protective shield against chronic diseases, including cancer. Olive oil also possesses impressive anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to a compound called oleocanthal. This natural phenolic compound works like ibuprofen, helping to reduce inflammation and pain in the body. But with all these health benefits and its high fat content, it raises an intriguing question. Can this healthy fat cause weight gain? Many believe that since olive oil is high in fat, it must lead to weight gain. But is this true? Let's delve into some science and debunk this myth. Research has shown that not all fats are created equal. The fats found in olive oil are monounsaturated fats, which are heart-healthy and can actually help in weight management. The notion that olive oil leads to weight gain is often based on the misunderstanding of calorie density. That is, the number of calories in a specific volume of food. Olive oil, like other oils, is calorie-dense, but that does not mean it leads to weight gain when consumed in moderation. Several studies have shown that diets rich in olive oil, such as the Mediterranean diet, are not only healthy, but also associated with a lower risk of weight gain. Olive oil, with its beneficial fats and antioxidants, can indeed be a part of a balanced, weight-conscious diet. So, olive oil does not make you fat, but remember, moderation is key. So, there you have it. Olive oil, when consumed in moderation, can be a part of a healthy diet. We've explored its nutritional composition, debunked the myth that it causes weight gain, and emphasized the golden rule of moderation. Remember, it's not about excluding certain foods, but about balance and informed choices. If you found this video informative, please hit the like button and share it with others. For more insights into natural and healthy lifestyle choices, subscribe to Natural Lifestyle Remedies.